a video on my after shower hair routine. So if you want to see how I do my hair after I shower, please stay and watch. This routine is not a styling routine. This is just what I do after I shower. And then if I'm going somewhere, of course, then I would do the styling stuff, which I do have videos on how I basically style my hair. And these are just products that I use for after I shower, and I do it only one time, and that is after I shower. First, my hair is completely washed. Please, if you have curly hair, do not use regular towels. This is a microfiber towel that I use to wrap my hair in, so then I would normally get ready, dress up, whatever, do my makeup. I'm not really going anywhere today, so I'm not going to be doing anything crazy or even styling my hair. I'm just going to let it natural air dry throughout the day because I'm boring and I'm not doing anything. Okay, so here's my hair. It is still moist, not like dripping wet, but it is definitely wet. Okay, so for the first product I'm using, it is the Keratin Miracle Leave-In product. This stuff makes my hair so soft. If this is all I use in my hair, like, it would be, of course, it's not a styler, it's not gonna make it not frizzy or anything, but this makes my hair, just gives it a nice soft texture. Okay, and what I do with this product is I just spray it all over my hair, emphasizing like the underside of my hair. I don't try to get it onto my roots, mainly just the outside areas, the under area, and of course I love to use this on my ends because my ends do tend to get dry. And with my fingers, I end up just running the product through it just to try to even it out. The next product I'm going to be adding in my hair is the SheaMoisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. This is for thick curly hair. This product is actually very liquidy. I have actually tilted this, dropped it, and I've lost a majority of my product because of how like liquidy it is. So I kind of wish it were in like a pump maybe, or like some kind of squeeze bottle, which I don't know why I didn't think about it. I could just go to the store and buy a little squeeze bottle or something, but I only use this product after I shower. I do not use this as a styling because it does tend to get heavy and it makes my hair kind of heavy but oily, and I don't really have oily hair, so be careful with using this product. I've seen a lot of people like go ham with it and like use a lot, and I've tried that and did not look good in my hair. My hair was like stuck to my head. So what I do with this product is I just rub it through my hands and kind of brush it out with my fingers when I go down on my hair, and I just brush it with strokes going down. The next product is it's a 10, and this one's the Miracle Oil Plus Keratin. Like I said, my hair is not oily at all whatsoever. Like, I can go a week without washing and you'd never even know it because it's not oily. So with that, I do get very, very dry ends. Like, my ends tend to get dry, and a lot of it probably has to do that I probably need a trim, but my hair is getting so long and I just don't want to cut it right now. So what I like to do is get this oil and just put it in all of the ends of my hair. Okay, so now that I have all of those products in my hair, I normally just go ahead and split it where I normally like to split it. And with me, I like to do just a little side split. And you can run your fingers through it again, because this is the only time that you will ever be able to run your fingers through your hair, because after it dries, my hair tends to get very, very tangly, and that's just not gonna work. So I do like to fluff it up a little bit, especially at the roots, because I hate it when it's like flat to my head. All right, so this is my routine. This is basically everything that I add to my hair after I shower. And like I said, if I were to style it, I do have other styling products that I use, so you can watch my video on that. But because I'm not doing anything, I'm just gonna let my hair natural air dry. And if I do decide to go somewhere, I'm gonna add a little bit of the Diva Curl coconut styler, and of course my favorite hair product is the Diva Curl soft hoe gel. But because, like I said, I don't want to do anything crazy to it, I'm just gonna let it air dry. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions for me, let me know down in the comments, or just to say hi.